Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to attach files to an email in Gmail. Whether you're sending documents for work, sharing photos with friends, or submitting important files, knowing how to properly attach files ensures your recipients get exactly what they need. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and type in mail.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Gmail credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the Compose button. Click on it to open a new email window. This is where you'll draft your message and attach your files. Now, start filling in the basic email details. Enter your recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject line that clearly describes your email, and compose your message in the main body area. These steps help provide context for the files you're about to attach. Here's where the attachment process begins. Look at the bottom of the Compose window and you'll see several icons. Click on the paperclip icon, which represents the Attach Files function. This will open your computer's file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Browse to the location where your file is saved, select it, and click Open. You'll see the file begin to upload, and once it's complete, it will appear below the subject line as confirmation that it's attached. If you need to attach multiple files, simply repeat this process. Keep in mind that Gmail has a 25 MB size limit for attachments, so if you're working with larger files, you may need to use Google Drive instead or compress your files first. There's also a quicker method for attaching files. Open the folder on your computer where your file is located, then simply drag and drop it directly into the Gmail Compose window. This method works seamlessly and saves you a few clicks, especially when you can see both windows at once. Once all your files are attached and you've reviewed your message, click the Send button. Your email will be delivered with all attachments included, ready for your recipient to download and view. Thanks for watching.